Good morning, it's Craft Wednesday, and today we're gonna do some wood burning stuff. We have to pick a design out of the portfolio that I made. I'll show you a few of those and then we'll pick a design. But I just got a bunch of wood that I ordered on Amazon for signs and coasters and things to add to the things that I wanted to sell. So we're gonna do some of those, and I just wanted to show you this skirt that I just got. I just love it so much. I just want to live in it because it's got pockets. Pockets. I can literally live in this all day long. It's super comfy. Super comfy. And a cute little belt to go with it. That one I got from my mom. But I can literally have 10 more colors of this and live in them all day long. I love it. Amazon, go get yours. Pockets. Anyways, let's get to our wood burning projects. Let's go. I'm leaning more towards doing coasters today because it'll be a little bit easier to do. Maybe, I don't know. I could be wrong. But we got like the elements, mandalas. Now it's just time to pick a pattern. Maybe we should flip a coin. Oh no, that's ripping. That's terrible. I need to tape that. Okay, so then you have these mandalas, or there's those. The mandalas are gonna be super time consuming. So it's possible that I won't do that. I might do time lapses of those ones. And then you got a hunting one. It's just like, which one to choose? Oh crap, I think I already chose. Of course I did. The owls, of course. We're gonna do some owls. That's what I think we should do. Okay, so let's draw those out on our little coasters. We're gonna draw them out together and then we are going to burn them. Okay, I'm gonna do the round coasters this time. So this will be a nice wood to do it on, I think, because it's soft. Unlike the other wood crafts that I was doing it on, because they weren't very soft. I needed to resand those. But let's go ahead and get started drawing on our little coaster and then we will start burning, okay? All right, I'm gonna start with this design first. And basically you're just gonna draw it on, okay? You can make your branches however you want. You can change it up. This is the final stages, so it really doesn't matter. It's up to you and your liking. Okay. Sketch that on here. Okay, make sure to leave room for this little tail thing. This is why we use pencils, so we can erase. Get a little branch. All right. Oh, no. See? Look at that. I already messed up. Okay, so we went down like this. Then you realize I was covering that little branch. Make a cute little branch over here. All right, now we got our sketch of the tree. Now we gotta get this dude on here. I did pretty easy sketches. It's just, you know, you'll know if it's good or not when we burn it. Okay, make your basic shape of the owl head. Get the little beak in there, which we might change up a little bit, that's fine. Get this little shape going. Shape the head, get the little wing going. Sometimes sound effects help, okay? They just do. And it's okay if you mess up here in your drawing. What matters is when the end pieces all come together with your burn. So you can control it better with your burn. You're like, I want to fix this. You totally can. Okay, little basic wings on here. Then we're gonna need to get the tail feathers, but we also need to get his little cute little tummy. So, and leave room for his little legs to come down. But I think I'm gonna go ahead and do these feathers first. not like that piece, so that's okay, that'll go away. Bam. This isn't as soft of wood as I thought it was gonna be, but that's okay. Get his little claw feet here. Make his little claw indentions. Get the other foot going. I'm gonna fix this claw. Come out this way. Okay. It's like he's gripping the wood, you know? And I'll fix that later. That's the back of his foot. You can't really see the other claw on the other edge of that stick, okay? You just chill. Alright, now let's fix your cute little beaky. And it has this that comes up to the eye. Do the little eye. Okay. I like how this head went, so I'm gonna fix this head. I don't like that. This head went a little bit longer and then down. There we go, that looks cuter. All right, let's place our leaves. So I draw a little branch thing, make a little leaf. Bam. Here's another little leaf over here. Okay, this actually had another little frond thing of a branch. And you don't need too many, but that's kind of up to you, what you want to do. Now in here I have a moon and a star, so draw a little crescent. Alright, the grain of the wind messed me up real quick. Okay. And our stars are more diamond shapes. Because when you look up, they look more twinkly diamonds, right? I don't like that one. That was horrible. Let's try that again. Always sketch first, make sure it's to your liking, and then you burn. Okay, we only have 3 more designs to do, and I'll time lapse those, and then we'll start burning. Turn off my fan. My eyes are so focused, the wind just like hurts real bad. I'm like crying. It's super stupid. drawings of our Hooters. That's the selection I decided to call it. Thank you for watching. As always, subscribe, like, share, and I'll see you next week.